Mobile kitchen storage islands are the perfect solution for those who need more counter space and storage in their kitchen. These islands come in a variety of sizes and styles to fit any kitchen decor. There are many products available to choose from in the mobile kitchen storage islands category, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1. Homestyles Dolly Madison Kitchen Cart. The Homestyles Dolly Madison Kitchen Cart is a mobile kitchen island made of hardwood solids and engineered wood. It has a natural solid rubber wood top, 3 storage drawers, a towel bar, a spice rack, and 2 adjustable shelves in each cabinet door. Its cart's weight of 134 pounds and external measurements of 53.5 W x 18 D x 36 H make it ideal for beautifying your kitchen area while also meeting your storage demands. Engineered timber and strong hardwood solids were used in the construction. Has a top made of genuine, solid rubber wood. Includes 3 storage drawers, a towel bar, a spice rack, and 2 adjustable shelves in each cabinet door. Number 2. Yaheetech Kitchen Cart with Stainless Steel Top. This kitchen cart has a classy, understated appearance that won't be too out of place in your existing kitchen decor. With counter height stools, it also works wonderfully as a coffee bar or a spot for drinks. This kitchen space saver has a utility drawer, a wine rack, a spice rack, a towel bar, 2 open shelves, and a 2-tier cabinet, which gives room for all the necessities. You have more room to maneuver as you prepare, serve, and stow food on the stainless steel countertop, which is 42 long by 18 broad. And a moist towel will do the trick for cleaning. This portable kitchen island is supported by 4 caster wheels for simple movement. It can go anywhere you need it to thanks to its 4-wheel base, and its 2 locking casters can keep it put when you don't want it to. To ensure that you can assemble this kitchen island cart without difficulty, it comes with numbered pieces and hardware and step-by-step assembly instructions. Moreover, an Allen key is included for your convenience. Number 3. Yaheetech Rolling Kitchen Island with Storage. The mobile kitchen cart is constructed from premium components, including pinewood, particle board, and MDF, and has a coated surface for long-lasting use. The top of the kitchen cart is composed of rubber wood veneer, which is safe for your health. 2 of the 4 360-degree swivel wheels on this kitchen cabinet may be locked. Its layout enables the cart to roll and stop with flexibility and go with you wherever you go, maximizing your cabinet space. The kitchen cart has a slide-out drawer underneath the top, a center open shelf for storage, and a bottom cabinet with a door for storage. To keep your belongings organized and nice, you may put cooking utensils, dishes, plates, toasters, spices, and other items in this cabinet while keeping tiny items, such as keys, chopsticks, and spoons, in the drawer. You must put together the utility cart table by yourself. The bundle contains all the necessary tools and instructions. With clear directions, assembly is simple. Also, a damp cloth makes it simple to remove a soiled spot from a smooth surface. Number 4. Hodida Microwave Cart with 1 drawer. A combination of metal and wood, the Hodida microwave cart makes it simple to reach and store your tiny appliances. The cart has shelves, a drawer for utensils, a cupboard for pots and pans, and a microwave compartment. The cart is movable with wheels for simple transportation, and the smooth metal drawer glides include safety stops to prevent drawers from tumbling out. Storage that is practical and easy to reach for cookware, utensils, and small appliances with safety stops and smooth metal drawer slides. Mobile for simple mobility, having wheels. Number 5. IRONCK Kitchen Island with Storage. Hidden cupboards in the kitchen island table contain a variety of items, including small appliances, pots, and pans. Featuring wider, smooth gliding drawers for holding plates and utensils. A towel bar is included with the spice rack. The tabletop has a drop leaf bar that you can use to extend it when you need additional counter space or simply drop it to make it compact to save room. Wine bottles, kettles, and large pots may all be stored on the inside shelves of cabinets, which can be raised or lowered to accommodate different storage needs. Also useful as a desk, hotel cart, kitchen baker's rack, microwave cart, or dining bar. Perfect for the dining room, entryway, and kitchen. Features 4 supple, rolling industrial casters that are sturdy and equipped with 2 locking brakes provide you with the mobility and stability to travel anywhere. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.